Hey guys, it's Mr. Thibodeau, just coming at you with lesson 72, implied ratios. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about what we got here. Let's play that up. All right, so when we're talking about word problems, if 12 math books weigh 40 pounds, how much would 30 math books weigh? Now, the issue here is we don't actually know exactly what the weight of each book is. We just assume that the books are going to be consistent. They're all going to be about the same. So if 12 math books weigh 40 pounds, then 30 math books must weigh what? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a ratio here. 12 over 40 and 30 over what? So we can do this a number of ways. The easiest thing that I would do would be to cross multiply. 40 times 30 equals 12x. Okay. For now, there is also something we could do before this. Okay. This is a ratio, right? I don't have to use the biggest version of this ratio. I could use 6 over 20, or I could use 3 over 10. Okay, and it would work just the same. Okay, so I could try and solve this, where I take 1, 2, 0, 0, right? And divide that by 12x, which luckily is going to work out great because divide this side by 12 gives me x, as that cancels out. Divide this by 12 and it's going to give me 100, right? However, if it wasn't such a perfect thing, I could also do, was it 3x equals 30 times 10, which gives me 3x equals 300. Divide both sides by 3. That cancels out, giving me x. That turns into 100. Same deal. Okay. Sometimes finding that easier ratio is going to be a big time saver. In this particular case, it wasn't really because, the answer is 100. So dividing 1200 by 12 is quite easy. And, it's easy here too, but that's slightly more work. Okay. So moving on, if we have something else, same proportion, we have 5 over 1.2, and we have 12 over d. Okay, cross multiply. 5d equals 12 times 1.2. Okay. We could go ahead and 12 times 2, or 12.24, and then we have equals 5d, divide through to get 2.88. All right. This one's a little messier. Same deal though. Yeah. All right. I think you guys will do just fine on this. We'll move over to the work I want you to do. A lot of word problems, which is fine. Yeah, I think I'm going to have you do 1 through 29 odd. Remember, with the absolute value, okay, that's essentially going to be 5, -7 plus 5 plus -9. Okay, I think you guys will do okay on that. So 1 through 29 odd. All right, have a good one, my dudes.